What is up, YouTube? High Tech Lab here. Today I am in the electrical room and I'm making some upgrades. I have my Disaster pulled apart and yeah, it's a mess because I'm working on it. I started, this is my old load center. Started pulling out the neutral bus because I have a new panel here. This is a split bus panel. If you look in here, the busing is stopped, it's cut. This is a IEM split bus 120, 240, 125 amp panel, and what I'm doing right now is I am temping this in because I need to pull all this out, and because this is going to be one of two new panels. I'm having another one of these panels built, but minus the split bus. So what my plan is to have generator, or maybe in vice versa, and inverter only loads. These are going to go through to a transfer switch, and then I'm going to have another panel that's going to be my main load distribution, so the loads I want to keep always on. That way things that I only want on the generator run only on the generator, things I want only on the inverter and not on the generator only on the inverter, and so on and so forth. Transfer switch for the stuff that runs on both. So that's going to be so I can prevent if for some reason the generator shuts down, runs out of gas, it doesn't dump the loads onto the inverter. So this is the start. I'm working right now on getting this neutral bus out of that panel into this panel because it came with this neutral bus not installed, and I want my neutral bus right in here. So this will be in here kinda like that. So let me get this in and I'll be back. So I have this up here placed where I wanted, and I've gone in this hole down here and stuck a pencil in the hole and kind of gone along the arch of this bus bar, and that gave me a scribed line. So now I can go ahead and get my tape measure, and I measured up here off the inside of the panel. We're 1 7/8 to the center of the hole. So all I got to do right here, now bear with me because this is very difficult one-handed. All I got to do here is measure 1 7/8, cross my lines, and that's where I'm going to drill my hole. Oh, went through the wall a little there. Now I'm going to grab a, whoops, dropped the drill bit, 5/16 nut driver, put that in the impact, and I'm going to grab a ground screw with 5/16, and this one, if you look carefully, if it'll focus, come on, focus you, please. Well, anyway, you kind of can see this has self-tapping groove. It has grooves in it that do, let's see, can you see? It self-taps the hole. So here we can go into the hole, screw it in, now unscrew it, and now we're tapped. So now I can get rid of that ground screw and take the screw for my bus bar right here, this screw for my bus bar, get that in the impact. Now bear with me because this is difficult doing work one-handed with the camera. So now I can place this in here, and you'll have to really bear with me here. I'll be right back. Sorry that was so painful to watch. So now we are in with our neutral bus bar. So that runs top to bottom. Now I'm going to need two neutral bus bars in this panel because it's split, and these are separately derived systems, meaning the generator has a neutral and the inverter has a neutral, and those are going to need to be kept separate. So this neutral, kind of overkill, but I'm going to have two neutral bars in this panel. So bear with me here. I'm going to continue on and I'll keep you updated. So we've gotten a bit more progress. I landed some breakers, temped in some power to here, so that way I can start pulling apart conduit. But I gotta keep a lot of this stuff on still, so the panel, main panel, is pretty close to empty. A few other things, but yeah, we gotta redo these gotta go, that whole deal's gotta go, that whole conduit's gotta go. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come 12 inches to this mark have 6x6 gutter, which is what this is, and that's gonna come straight down and stop at the bottom of the panel. We're gonna have one of these end plates in that gutter right there. Chase nipple through the end of the gutter into another gutter that's gonna come all the way down across through here. This is all gonna go, and it's gonna come full length. And then I'm gonna have a gutter that comes down from there, bam, and then we'll have that part across. And then here I'm gonna have all my DC stuff, so my charge controllers, and I'm gonna build probably another panel for DC. I got fresh 4/0 aluminum to replace what goes right in here to the batteries. So we got some progress. You saw a little bit of me fighting with the neutral bar, which actually is going to need to be changed because split bus, separately drive system, we need separate neutrals. So, but yeah, this is live. You can see I've got some stuff just temped in for now because once I get all the gutter in place, this is all going to go. So this actually I just temporarily ran because I got to turn the lights on because I'm done for the night. But this is all going to need to be cut, bam, so that we're 6 inches, and then we can go straight into the side of a gutter. So that's where I'm at for tonight. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.